Hey, what's going on, guys? It's High Tech here. So the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus have officially been confirmed, and now we know exactly when to expect to see Samsung's new S9 models. So recently at CES, Samsung's president of mobile business, DJ Cole, announced that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be unveiled at the Mobile World Conference in February. The sales date for these phones are also going to be announced at this time, so this is all right around the corner, and we'll be seeing these phones really soon. The leaks also keep trickling in. The latest one was found on Reddit showing what could potentially be an official S9 retail box. There are a bunch of specs listed on the box that have been previously leaked by other media outlets. It lists the S9 as having a 5.8-inch quad Super AMOLED display, dual 12 megapixel cameras with super speed dual pixel technology, super slow-mo, so maybe we will see slow-mo video at 1000 FPS, an 8 megapixel front camera, stereo speakers, which will be a welcome addition considering this was one of the main complaints with the S8 models, IP68 water and dust resistant, an iris scanner, 64 gigabytes of memory on what I presume is the base model, 4 gigabytes of RAM, wireless charging of course, and earphones tuned by AKG. We also know that Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 845 processor will be in the S9 and the S9 Plus. Qualcomm states that the Snapdragon 845 will yield at least a 25% increase in performance as compared to the Snapdragon 835 and allow for a 30% increase in battery life. The new processor also brings 30% faster and more power efficient visual processing and 4K resolution video at 60 frames per second. As far as the design goes, it really isn't expected to be changing much. The only major design changes that we've seen is the relocation of the fingerprint scanner to being underneath the camera instead of on the side of it, and the reorientation of the dual camera setup from horizontal to vertical. But aside from those changes and slightly smaller bezels, the S9 models are expected to look practically identical to the S8 models. Phone Arena actually did a comparison to show just how similar the designs are expected to be based on leaked information and photos they received. The S9 and S9 Plus will likely be slightly wider and less tall than their predecessors, but will have a better screen-to-body ratio due to smaller bezels. Compared to the iPhone X, the S9 is expected to be not quite as wide, but taller, and again, have a better screen-to-body ratio. And the S9 Plus versus the iPhone 8 Plus is almost a cringe-worthy comparison, as you can really see just how dated the old iPhone design looks now. So yeah guys, we are less than 2 months away from the official announcement of these phones. I'm personally really excited to see these new phones and how they perform. Let me know down in the comments if you're excited about either the S9 or the S9 Plus. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see my future videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one.